this is modern India. Many years have passed. So many cars, so many buildings. I see people holding small screen in their hand. Those are mobile phone, Baba. People use them to talk, send messages, watch videos. Very strange. In our time, we wrote letters and spoke face to face. Some are happy, but some are always busy and stressed. Do they still follow through? Not always, Baba. Some are still fighting. That is very bad. Yes, Baba. We dreamed of an India that is both modern and moral. We must remind the people of India, be simple, be honest, be helpful. I still believe in India. The youth will bring change. Let us love India and guide the new generation.